welcome. In the previous session we had seen how to use the shift command for shifting the argument to the inside the variable in the this subroutine function definition and function call. So now in this program we are going to write the same subroutine function definition and function call, but here we will be using one special variable, so which actually calculates the number of argument pass. Okay, so that we'll see how to write the script for that. So let's copy the uh, program, say okay, so let's write the name. uh, we are going to use the special variable, actually special variable in subroutine program. Okay, so let's open into the Vim editor. Let's delete this. Okay, so we'll delete this actually. Okay, so let's write here, say subroutine function, same function will give, say display. The last time we had also used the same only, and we'll call that function here, say display. Say we are passing argument 2, 3, 4, or you can pass any number actually as per your requirement, 5, 10, 15. Okay, so now we want to capture how many arguments that we pass. So in this case we can see we are passing 3 argument, isn't it? So this 1, 2, 3. So we shall get output that total value pass is 3. Okay, so for that we can use a special variable. Say let's write this variable name var1. So @_ okay, so @_ is the special variable actually. So here I shall write is a special variable which stores the number of argument pass. Okay, so this is a special variable actually. So let's run this program. So here semicolon, but actually forgot to write the message here. So in the print, say we shall write print space total value pass is $variable1. Sorry. Okay, let's run this program. So this is the program, and so this is the output. You can see that total value pass is 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you can change this also. So you can pass any string value also as well. So let's pass hi. So now let's run this. This is the script and this is the output. So the total value pass is 4. So the value can be a number also or can be string also. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are the 4 values passed as an argument, okay, during the function call. So this way we can calculate the number of argument passed using the @ special variable. Okay, so this is the subroutine function and call program. Thank you.